My name is Victoria Villarreal, and today my presentation is going to be over anxiety. There are five major types of anxiety disorders. Generalized anxiety disorder is going to be the main focus of my presentation. There is also OCD, panic disorder, PTSD, and social phobia, also known as social anxiety. The causes of anxiety can differ. For some people, anxiety can be linked to an underlying health issue they know nothing about, or a big event that you are anticipating causing anxiety to be triggered. Sometimes anxiety can be a side effect of certain medication. It is important to be observant and decipher between what kind of symptoms you are feeling. Everyday anxiety can be worrying about paying a bill or landing a job. It can also be anticipation of a big test or business presentation, or fear of a dangerous object, place, or situation that has not happened yet. If these kinds of symptoms continue, this can lead to an anxiety disorder, which is constant worry, which interferes with your daily life. This can lead you to avoid social outings on purpose out of fear of being judged, embarrassed, or humiliated. This can also lead to panic attacks and the fear of having another one. Anxiety disorder can also be shown in irrational fear of a situation or threat that poses little danger. Some symptoms of anxiety include feeling nervous, restless, or tense, having a sense of impending danger or panic, also hyperventilation, breathing rapidly, sweating, having difficulty controlling worry, and feeling weak or tired. Some statistics from the Anxiety and Depression Association of America include nearly 4 million people in the US, 18% experience an anxiety disorder. Anxiety disorders affect 25.1% of children ages 13-18. Generalized anxiety disorder is the most common disorder among older adults. Generalized anxiety disorder affects 6.8 million adults, or 3.1% of the US population. Women are also twice as likely to be affected. Anxiety disorders are highly treatable, yet only 36.9% of those suffering receive treatment. Some tips for prevention include getting help early and realizing if you are receiving symptoms of anxiety, and like other mental health conditions, can be harder to treat if you wait. Staying active, doing activities, running, walking, any physical activity that you enjoy and makes you feel better about yourself can help keep positive mentality. Avoiding alcohol or drug use. This can make or worsen anxiety and is a bad way to cope with it. Another tip is meditation. It can help clear your mind of any lingering worries as you dedicate certain time of the day to meditating. Some tips for my audience that I want to give are focusing on what you can change, taking time to stop and breathe through meditation or journaling, or just going outside and getting a fresh breath of air. Focusing on something less anxiety provoking, figure out what's bothering you. I know us college students have a lot on our plate, and I personally have anxiety when a big test occurs. Even giving this presentation, I had to retake 2 or 3 times because my anxiety came up for fear of messing up. I assume I was predetermining how my outcome would be. So my tips for you are to just sit back and realize, what am I worried about? Is this something that I can change, or is my brain getting the best of me? I hope these tips work for you, and thank you.